It's not Marco. It's not. What's up, AC gang? It's a girl Abbi here, and guys, me I come back again with another video, guys. So, anyways, guys, I was on YouTube just now, right? And I come across a prank. As you can see by the title, guys, I'm about to do the possessed girlfriend prank on Capo. Guys, I was texting Capo earlier, well, a couple minutes ago, and I was telling him that something is going on in the house. I'm trying to convince him to come home. So I'm supposed to find him where I come home now. So that's why I want to do this fast. Alright. So guys, the plan is to black up my eye and black up my lip, and so just make sure you start spam the comment section with Team Abbi, guys, because my acting skills I got it on point. Okay, alright. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, comment Team Abbi down below, go subscribe to our comedy channel, Abbi and Capo Comedy TV, follow us on Instagram, Abbi Atas, I am Cappuccino, and Abbi_Capo. No further talking, guys. I'm gonna fix my face. Stay tuned. Well, boom, man. I'm fine now. Well, I almost find myself. Alright, guys. So right now, I'm going to try and change into something, something else, because the powder mess up the wall of me. So, and then find a place where I had the camera then, because I'm going to use 2 cameras. Make sure not spam the comment section with Team Abbi, spam up the comment section with Team Abbi. And subscribe if you're new. Go subscribe to our comedy channel, Abbi and Capo Comedy TV. Follow us on Instagram. They're down below, guys. So stay tuned. Change off. Should I find a long sleeve, Okay, so right now, I'm just going to sit, look through the window, and see when am I coming in. That's my up and start the camera, and just get into the acting mode. Guys, don't forget, Team Abbi, I'm telling you, your girl is coming back with the pranks, them. Look out.
Abbi. Blood cladio. Hey, look so.
Is that you, Marco?
Yeah, that?
Marco, is that you?
No, it's not Marco.
What you do?
It is Marco.
Oh, you do?
It is.
Oh, wait. I'm going to you.
Marco, come here, Marco.
Don't you hear? It's not Marco. It's not Marco.
Abbi.
It is Marco.
Yeah, that?
Don't you say it's not Marco.
Oh, yeah, that. Come to you. Later, this is me. Abbi.
Oh, I said it's not Marco. I said it's not Marco. I said it's not Marco. No. I said it's not Marco.
Make it up so. Oh, wait. Make it up so.
It's not Marco.
Oh,
No, it's not Marco.
stop it, stop it. Oh. Stop it. Yeah. Oi, apa yang kayak itu? Abbi, stop apa yang kayak itu?
It's namaku. It's namaku.
Hey, you're far from me now. Don't get you that there. Stop apa yang kayak itu? Don't come and say no. Don't stay with it. Read that. Ini Marco.
It's namaku. It's namaku.
Abbi! You can't talk around people.
Do it. Do it. Do it. There is not Marco.
Stay with it. Stay with it. Oh, you must stay with it. Only care this, you know.
It's not Marco.
Abbi, stop from me. You have to know. Abbi, stop from me. You can't go now.
Let go of me, Marco.
Oi! You see that?
Marco. It's not Marco. It's not Marco.
Fool, like.
Oh, the man hurt me.
Don't punish that now.
I'm from Metropole. And let it pray, let it pray, let it pray. Ow. Let it pray. Guys, spam out the comment section with you, Abbi.
What that paint is?
It's makeup, fool. Guys, spam out the comment section with him, Abbi. I'm tired. Made that hurt me.
1 second, me want yo, don't like don't
Marco!
don't think that again.
Guys, if you enjoyed that, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and comment team Abbi down below because as I said, the girl is coming back with the pranks. That's true, Marco?
The man you don't call him in that place, man.
Marco!
Stop that.
I made it.
Okay,
Guys, don't forget to subscribe to our comedy channel, Abbi and Capo Comedy TV. Follow us on Instagram, Abbi Atas. I am Cappuccino, Abbi_Capo. Oh my god, my God. Alright, guys. See you in the next video because I know your girl will come back with another bang. I want some more of him, Capo. Alright, guys. Bye.
Okay.